a wraparound heating pad. So you put this on your back and you can actually, I just wrecked my back so about a month ago, so I really welcome this. You wear it like a cape. Kids kind of think it's funny, but this is how it goes. It's extremely soft. Now this has two functions built into it. It is a heating pad. So I have my little handy dandy controller here. So I have a low setting and a high setting. So this has heat in it. And then it also has 4 different massage settings. So you can have heat and massage all at the same time. So if I hit it once, I'm not sure if you're gonna hear that. It's basically going boop, boop, boop. If I hold it again, if I click again, it's just gonna stay on. So it's just vibrating. And the vibrations are down here and up here. So there's like 2 sections, but it sort of vibrates your entire back. There's 2 levels of vibration. So if I hit it again, I go up to the high level. So now it's doing boop, boop, boop again, but it's even more intense, or I can just leave it on. Right now I have it on basically the highest setting of massage, and I have it on the highest setting of heat. So it's pretty nice. You can see how big it is. I'm basically like, I don't know, 5'11". It does seem to cover my entire back. It's just nice to be able to wear it and not have the heating pad constantly fall down. I don't use the massage, I use the heat mostly, but pretty nice. And I have moved it down a little bit to maybe be a little bit lower on my back. You can just, use it as a normal heating pad as well. So pretty cool device to have. I think you're gonna like it.